Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this little sink caddy from Okidokie Artichoke is going to save you from those wet countertops because of your sponges.
I love my butcher block countertops, but keeping them dry is such a hassle, and especially around the sink. So, this sink caddy is saving me. It is helping me to stay dry and organized, and it does that with this amazing piece of stone. Not only does it absorb the water so fast, it also dries just as fast. So you don't have to worry about this sitting on your counter and being wet. I love that they made this design so versatile where you can change up where you have the different pieces, whether or not you want the stone to drain or to sit flat. They really did think of everything. It is such a nice modern design and it looks fantastic.
I love how they were able to mix beauty and function. I am completely obsessed with this sink caddy. I think it is the perfect thing, and I am so happy to have it in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.